What this tool is designed to do is help you remove clutch covers on Polaris models. Now, these bolts on these clutch covers, a lot of times they're hard to get to, there's components in the way, and that's where this flex drive comes into play. You can stick this into the area you need it, and you're gonna have plenty of torque to remove and reinstall these bolts. Now, the other cool thing about it, this thing actually it comes with 2 bits, because the bolts for these covers, they'll come in 2 different sizes. So it comes with both sizes, interchangeable bits, and there's a magnet on this end to help keep you from dropping the bolts once you remove them. Now, another thing I like about this tool, it's small and compact. That way you can take it out on the trail with you in your toolkit. And if you do have an emergency where you need to take that cover off, this is gonna make it easy to do that. And that's it for this Tusk clutch cover removal tool. If you need it, it's available on our website. We also offer free shipping on orders over $75. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of other helpful content on there. Thanks for watching.